Hello everyone, wishing you a very beautiful morning. So today we are going to complete our topic tenses. So let's get right into. Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about future tenses. We have already completed present and past tense, and today we are going to study about the third type of tense, that is future tense. Now first question is, what is future tense? The future tense is a verb tense that we use it to talk about something that will happen in the future or something that will be true. In simple language, you can just say future tense refers to tense or refers to an activity that is going to take place in the coming future. Okay, anything that will happen that has not happened yet, but it is going to happen in the coming future. So it is called future tense. Any activity or event that will occur is future tense. Fine. So anything that is going to happen is called future tense. Now, just like present and past tense, future tense is also divided into four types. That is simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. We are going to study about all of them today. Okay. So the first one is simple future tense. Now, very simple rule is there. We have to use will or shall plus first form of verb. Okay, for positive. For negative, we are going to add not, and for interrogative, will come in front. Okay, we can use will also, we can use shall also, but nowadays we only use will. So for you just need to remember that you are going to use will. Okay, so simple rule for simple future tenses, you are going to use will plus first form of the verb. Okay, for negative, not will be added, and for interrogative, will come in front. Like positive, I will go to Thailand. Okay, negative, just add not, I will not go to Thailand, or I willn't go to Thailand. For interrogative or question mark, will come in front. Will you go to Thailand? Okay, so very simple rule, just add will plus first form of the verb for simple future tense. Okay. Now here, as you can see example, I will come. Will is there, come is first form. Okay. For negative, I will not come. For interrogative, will is coming in front. Will I come? You will come, he will come, she will come, it will come. Okay, will is there and first form of verb is there. For negative, we are just adding not. That is, you will not come, she will not come, it will not come, we will not come. Okay, and for interrogative, will is coming in front. Will he come, will she come, will it come? Fine. So very simple rule, you just need to add will and you have to use first form of the verb for simple future tense. Okay, so will plus verb's first form for simple future tense. Okay, for negative just add not, and for interrogative will come in the beginning. Okay, so will plus verb's first form for simple future tense. This is simple future tense. Okay, so just add will plus use first form of the verb. Okay. Next we have future continuous tense. Okay, now you must remember that for every continuous tense you are going to add ing to the verb. Okay, so as we are talking about future, so will definitely be there in all of them. All the four types will is going to come. Okay, so you are just going to add be to it. That is will plus be plus verb plus ing. For negative, add not, and for interrogative, will come in the beginning. Okay, so future continuous tense, will plus be plus verb plus ing. Okay, like I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. Now the event is going to take place tomorrow. That's why it is future tense. Will is there, be is there, and sing is the verb. We have added ing, that is singing. So it is future continuous tense. For negative, I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. And for interrogative, will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? So simple. For future continuous tense, will come. You will add be plus you are going to add ing to the verb. So it will be will plus be plus ing. For negative, not will come, and for interrogative, will come in the beginning. Okay. These are the examples. Like I will be starting. Will is there, be is there, start is the verb, ing is added. So this is future continuous tense. For negative, I will not be starting. For interrogative, will I be starting? So for future continuous tense, you have to use will plus be plus verb plus ing. You will be starting, he will be starting, they will be starting, we will be starting. Okay, so will plus be plus verb plus ing. For negative, as you can see, not is there. He will not be starting, she will not be starting, it will not be starting. Okay. For interrogative, will is coming in the beginning. Will you be starting? Will he be starting? So very simple rule for future continuous tense. Will plus be plus verbs first form plus ing. Okay. Next we have future perfect tense. Now you must remember, for every perfect tense, whether present, past or future, you are going to use third form of the verb. Past participle here means verb's third form. As we are talking about future, will is there. Now in continuous we were adding be. In perfect we will be adding have. So will plus have plus verb's third form. For negative, not will be there, and for interrogative, will come in the beginning. Again, for every future tense, will be there. For present perfect, past perfect, and for future perfect, we are going to use third form of the verb. For future, we will be adding have. Okay, he will have done it by this evening. Will is there, have is there, verb's third form is there. For negative, not is there, he will not have done it by this evening. For interrogative, will is coming in the beginning. Will he have done it in the evening? Okay. So for future perfect tense, will plus have plus verb's third form. Fine. Like here, as you can see examples. I will have started. Started is third form. For start, will is there, have is there. For negative, I will not have started. For interrogative, will I have started. Similarly, you will have started, he will have started, we will have started. So will plus have plus verb's third form. For negative, just add not. You will not have started, it will not have started, I will not have started. And for interrogative, will come in the beginning. So for future perfect tense, will plus have plus verb's third form. Fine. Next we have future perfect continuous tense. Okay, as we are talking about future, will definitely come. In perfect continuous tense also we add ing to the verb. So for future perfect continuous tense, will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay, for negative just add not, and for interrogative we are going to start with will. I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. I will not have been eating vegetables for 3 months. Will you have been eating vegetables for 3 months? So will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing for future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Here as you can see examples, I will have been starting, you will have been starting, he will have been starting. For negative, not will come, and for interrogative we will start with will. So very simple rule for future perfect continuous tense also, will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay. Now this is the table. You can also write progressive form instead of continuous. It simple means continuous. So simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense for present, past and future. Very important. Okay. For present tense we are going to use first form s or yes for simple. For past, second form. For future, will plus first form. For continuous, as I have already told you, ing will come in everything. and we are going to use just first form of the verb. For present is am, for past was were, for future will be. Okay. For perfect tense, third form of the verb will come in all the three. For present has or have, for past had, for future will have. Perfect continuous form, we are going to use first form and we are going to add ing. As you can see, first form plus ing, first form plus ing, first form plus ing. For present, has or have. For past, has or have plus been. For present, has, have plus been. For past, had plus been. For future, will have plus been. Okay, so you must remember this table. It is very, very important. Fine. Now these are the answers of your homework. First you have to use future perfect tense, that is will plus have plus third form of the verb. In second you have to use future perfect continuous tense, that is will plus have plus been, plus you have to add ing to the verb. Okay. For future continuous tense you have to use will plus be, plus you have to add ing to the verb. Okay, so you can check answers from here. These are the 3 exercises in your homework. Okay, thank you class.